Hello all, welcome to Freshers World YouTube channel. A great news for you, DXC Technology is hiring through us. So they are hiring for technical support representative. Let's see who are eligible for this. BTech, BCA and BSc candidates from 2019 and 2020 candidates are all eligible for this notification. Let's talk about the job description part. So coming to the job description part, excellent communication skills are required, and if you have any experience regarding international clients over email and chat platform, then you will be preferred first. So coming to the experience, 0 to 1 years of experience is required. Even if you're fresher, you can apply. Candidates with MCSC will be preferred. If you have any MCSC certificate, you will be given more priority. Certification in ITIL preferred. Ability to work in 24/7 shift environment. So obviously this role will be rotational. Experience in semi-tech, ISP troubleshooting. If you have it's an added advantage. Excellent communication skills, as I already told you before. So mostly these points are for experienced candidates who have worked already for 6 months or some couple of months. But if you are fresher, that's okay. I'll be just reading the key responsibilities part. If you are okay with all these job responsibilities and the job profile, these points, you just come over here and just apply. Let me read all these points. As part of this role, a person is required to provide 24/7 support on service desk responsibilities, provide relevant assistance to the client users over email and chat. Resource would also need to create incidents over the emails received from the users, working at the first level contact to the users, provide basic level troubleshooting on Windows machines. So mostly your role will be a pure support role. Resource should have experience on desktop and Windows application troubleshooting. This is not mandatory for freshers, but basic knowledge is mandatory. Resource would also be required to route unresolvable issues to next level of support. Resource should have a good aptitude towards troubleshooting an issue by thinking in multiple directions. Should possess ITIL lifecycle understanding. Resource is required to have good communication skills, both verbal and written, because you also have to communicate even over a phone call sometimes and even over an email. So both verbal and written communication skills is mandatory. So coming to the work location is in Bangalore, and shifts, global shifts, it means like completely rotation. If client belongs to US, it will be like US shifts. Purely depends upon your client. And coming to the salary, 2.9 LPA, it's a very decent start to start your career. If you are a 6 months experienced person also, just come apply and join here. Why? Because DXC Technology is a very good company, and if you move from this company to another company later on, it will be a great career hike for you. So what you're waiting for? I'll be giving this link in the description below. Just go there, apply and attend the interview and crack it up. So all the best guys. We are coming up with much more notification videos for you. Do like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.